Hello my dear students of Standard 7. Today I am going to discuss the question and answer of your physics chapter light. The questions are given in page number 93 and 94, 193 and 194 of books prescribed by DAV organization. So first question is fill in the blanks. Number 1, the image which can be obtained on a screen is called a blank space image. So here you will have to fill real. So in question number 1 you have to fill real image, real. So a image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. So real will be filled in the question number 1. In question number 2, angle of reflection is equal to angle of reflection blank space the angle of incidence. So this is related with the laws of reflection. The angle of reflection equals the angle of incidence. So the word will be equals. And now come to question number 3 in the fill in the blanks. The incident ray, comma, the blank space at the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So it is also related with the second law of reflection or laws of reflection. So we have to write here the ray, incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So here in first place you have to fill up normal and in the second place you have to fill up plane. Now come to the question number 4. The point, comma, where a concave mirror forms the image of a very distant object, comma, is known as the blank space of the mirror, is known as the focus of the mirror. Similarly, in the question number 5, a spherical mirror that always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image of an object is a blank space mirror, is a convex mirror. So you have to fill up convex only. Question number 6. Eye specialist use ophthalmoscope which is fitted with blank space mirror. So it is the question is related with the practical application of mirror, and in ophthalmoscope the concave mirror is used. So you have to fill up here concave mirror only. Now come to the next question. Next question is write true or false. Write true or false for the following statements. A statement is in the book. You have to see your book. Page number 193. Question number 1. The image formed by a plane mirror shows the right side of the object as its right side and the left side of the object as its left side. So plane mirror forms laterally inverted image. So right side left and left side right. According to that, the statement is false. So in the first question you have to write false. In the second question statement, when we stand between a pair of parallel plane mirror, we can see an infinite number of images. So you might have seen in the parallel, BT parallel, that there are two plane mirrors arranged here. One is in front and other is behind, and you can see number of images formed in that system. So multiple images are formed. So this statement is true. So it is true. So you have to write true in the boxes. Number 3, a concave mirror can never form a virtual image of an object. It is false, because concave mirror forms the virtual images when the object is placed between focus and pole. So never forms is wrong. Virtual image, it never forms is wrong. So it is false. Question number 4. We can use either a concave mirror or a convex mirror as the reflector in the torches. No. In torches, only concave mirror or parabolic concave mirror is used. So this statement is again false. Now come to the next 5th question. Motor vehicles generally use either a plane mirror or a convex mirror as their real view mirror. Yes, it is true. Either you can use plane or convex. So this statement is true. So you have to write here true. Now come to C part of the question, page number 94. Page number 194, light, chapter light, C, MCQ, multiple choice question. और टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, आपको ऑप्शन को करेक्ट को टिक लगाना है. क्वेश्चन इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इक्वल्स द एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड दी. यू हैव टू सर्च among these four. So and the normal at the point of incidence, this will be correct because it is the definition of angle of incidence. So the second option is correct, and therefore you have to put the tick mark in the second option only. So this is the answer. Come to second question. A ray of light falling normally on a plane mirror, get reflected in such a way that you have to select any one option from these 4 and then tick marks. So in this situation, if the light ray is falling normally on any mirror, what will happen? It will trace its path. So just retraces the path will be the right option. So this is the answer of second question. Now question number 3 of part C section, MCQ. Okay, the central point of the section of the sphere used for making a spherical mirror is known as number 1 pole of the mirror, 2 focus of the mirror, 3 center of curvature of the mirror, 4 midpoint of the mirror. So इसमें से you have to select. So it is defined as pole of the mirror. So first option is correct. Mark it. Now come to question number 4. The distance between the object and its image in a plane mirror is 6 meter. फिगर समझिए, यह फिगर है. दिस इज प्लेन मिरर, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज एन इमेज. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इज 6 मीटर. एज वी नो दैट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज विल बी सेम टू द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट in the case of plane mirror. So it will be divided 3 meter, 3 meter. This is 6 meter. According to the question, it is 6 meter. If the object moves 1 meter towards the mirror, now object is moving towards the mirror 1 meter. Mirror is moved, object is moved towards the mirror 1 meter. So what will be the distance left? 2 meter. Now the image will also move towards the mirror. So 1 meter, this is also 2 meter. So total distance will be this 4 meter. Then the new distance between the object and the image will be, this will be the new distance. So answer will be 4 meter. This will be the answer. See here. See in the question and the solution. Now question number 5. The rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 4 meters per second. The speed of reversing is 4 meters. The driver sees in his rear view mirror the image of a scooter parked behind his car. The speed at which its image appears to approach the driver will be. You have to select among these. Driver has a plane mirror as a rear view and he is taking back, and he sees that there is a scooter parked behind the car and he is reversing with a speed of 4 meters per second. So, what will be the approaching speed of the scooter which appears to seen by the driver? So, my dear student, what is the speed of reversing? That is 4 meters per second. The image will also come towards the car with 4 meters per second also. So, here the relative speed comes out, and it will be in the case of opposite direction, the relative velocity will be added out. So, this will be equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8 meters per second. So, answer will be here 8 meters per second. So, this is 2 meter, option is 2 meters per second. Here is 4 meters per second, and next is 8 meters per second, and next option is 16 meters per second. So, as per the relative speed, as the reversing speed is 4, so the object will approach with the same, come towards the same, so both are opposite, so the speed will be added and it will become 8. So, option 8, third will be the correct option. Thank you very much.